Hi, guys. Welcome to today's episode of my financial education on anything finance. So, in today's episode, guys, before we start, I have a quick question for you. How do you guys keep track of your expenses? Like, how do you know what you're earning and how much you're spending in a month or even in a year? Do you have a fixed method that works for you? So, as I was going through my accounting book today, I found out something that got me thinking. Businesses actually keep track of everything, every dime that is going out and that is coming in. They keep track of it. This is how they actually know whether they're doing good financially or they're doing bad financially. So it got me thinking, maybe as an individual, we should actually treat our lives, we should actually manage our lives as businesses. That way, we could actually know what we are spending or what we are even earning at any particular point in time. Because sometimes we actually make some expenses that we look at it at the end of the month or even at the end of the year when we ask ourselves, oh my, where did this money go to? Was it magic? Man, it was not magic. It was you. So my accounting book told me that this is what businesses actually do. So here are the two methods that businesses use to keep track of their financial situation. And you as an individual can actually use the same method. So here is what I learned. An income statement or profit and loss statement shows your money over time. Like it shows your money like in a month or a year, what you're spending, what you're earning, but a balance sheet is a bit different. It's like a financial report that shows your financial position at any specific moment in time. This could be like in a month, a year, even a day, or even in a week. So I want you to look at it this way. The balance sheet is more like a picture of your financial situation, your expenses, your earnings, and your income statement is more like a video that shows you everything. So, as an individual, I'm thinking that maybe we should actually use more of income statement to track our spending because although from the definition, you might think, oh, maybe balance sheet is easier. For me, maybe it's because I'm a novice. I think that income statement actually is easier for an individual because check it, most of us don't earn anything in a day. So it's better we track something because what are we tracking in a day? We could actually keep track of something in a month to know how we are doing financially, right? This is what I think, by the way. So if you take a look at these two examples, which one do you think is easier for you to use as an individual? Do you think that balance sheets will be easier for you to use, or do you think that income statements will do you better? As for me, I think I'm going to start keeping an income statement because I really want to know where my money is going, especially in this economy, man. I have to know where that money is going to and what I am earning to actually know what to spend. So, guys, this is it for today. Remember, this is part of our financial education challenge where I get to learn new stuff and share it with you guys. Please, accountants, your comments are much welcome. If you think there's any misunderstanding, anything I didn't explain clearly or I explained wrongly, please let me know in the comment section because I am willing to learn. And your comment is very much appreciated, guys. Thank you very much in advance, accountant. Even if you're not an accountant and you're quite knowledgeable in this, please drop your comments in the comment section below, guys. So until next time, please remember to stay financially savvy. It is very important. 再见.